It's my excuse to call her a bitch. Give me a break.
Who says you need an excuse? Yeah, it
Start it
seems
up.
to.
Back.
Get in his face. Oh.
Bye bye, Inky.
Yeah. Didn't realize it was second from back, not back. My bad, not paying attention.
Second from back.
It's all good. Get in his face. Stack up.
Add up back.
Don't even bother touching
Middle.
it until it's mid. Until there's two up.
Front.
We should watch that debuff now. Kill it, kill it. Too slow.
Back.
Well, that
Oh,
was
no
fine, but
way.
he actually pulled me into it. Kill it, kill it, kill it.
We're not gonna get this down because you were pulled in. We couldn't reach it.
Back.
Someone else get on it. I'm sucked in.
She's already been reset.
Wipe it up. Start it up.
Hold your threat. Mid.
Get in his face.
Cover me.
Ugh. Mid. Get in his face. I'm gonna die here.
Mid back.
Rune, you killed me, didn't you? Yeah, you did.
Stack up.
Mid
Mid
back.
back.
Front.
Near the
Second one back. Mid.
Okay, kill. Okay. Near the back. Near the
Back.
back.
Mid back.
Kill it. Front.
Front.
Everybody get that ad.
Here.
Get on the next ad, I got sucked in. Yeah, everybody should be on the next ad. Get that ad that's up.
Near the back.
Mid back. Where's the ad?
It just now spawned.
Get on the ad.
It's too late.
It's too late.
It's too late.
Okay, never mind.
Front.
It's alright, keep going. That's some good damage. Mid.
Mid back.
Toward the back.
Everyone on this ad. No.
Missed. Front. Second one back.
Down.
All the way to the front.
We got 16 stacks. That acid debuff is most likely gonna be a wipe. With that one we did a little bit better, but we were tearing into them a little bit too fast. So that fifth one died, and then the sixth one wasn't even up yet, so we couldn't keep continuing it.
Yeah, as far as staying alive goes, that was very good overall.
You just weren't doing enough DPS to him.
Alright, and to do enough DPS, we have to keep those stacks going.
It's my excuse to call her a bitch. Give me a break.